everybody knows efficiency and time is money. My name is Arash and I'm the owner of Summit Contractors. My company is based in Toronto, Ontario. Started as the HVAC professional and I just grew from that and shifted to a general contractor. Without having a platform, it was really hard to keep track on clients, follow-ups, codes, invoices, scheduling, and communication. I had to keep everything in mind, put it on different papers, going back and forth. So I spent a lot of time on administrative portion of the business. Everything was mixed up and invoicing was difficult. Over the years, I worked as a general contractor. I tried many platforms. All of them offered many features. So I won't say they didn't, but what I found Jobber as unique and I stayed with it because it was so user-friendly. It was so easy to use. I've been using Jobber for the last 2 years and Jobber gives me a process. It gives me a framework. It just helped me to manage my business more efficient. Actually, the application, guide me toward what I have to do. The other way around would be me to tell the application what to do. Jobber make it easy to tell me how to do it, and that always works. Since I use Jobber, I get so many compliments. They said, you did a good job because it just made it so easy. I can get the signature, I can get approval. So many clients just give me compliment. This invoicing is very easy. I can access that, I can access this. What Jobber did is just gave me the freedom and the way that I can grow my business. So it helped me tremendously toward me being able to make my business grow, and Jobber made that easy for me a lot. That's what I can say.